Good afternoon, traders. Adam Ryan here with Optic Trading, and welcome back to another market recap video covering crude oil. So today we got lots of interesting price action, good volatility, good movement, lots of opportunity if you understood what was going on. So in this session, I'm going to point out a lot of the things that I was seeing that can hopefully help you out in your trading. Now, before we get started, if you guys enjoy these market recaps or the trading tips videos or any videos that I'm producing, be sure to give me the thumbs up and like them, and also subscribe to the channel. That lets me know you guys enjoy this content and you want more of it, which I'm happy to create for you guys. Now back with the market recap. So last session we talked about the yearly high, the 52-week high, how that was going to be a very important level going forward. Now overnight we tested the level multiple times, and then we eventually broke through and we made all-time yearly highs. So we made 52-week highs in the overnight session, set to open up with a gap higher, which we did open. So overnight inventory was net long. We had 100% long inventory. So an overnight inventory squeeze we would not be ruling out. The potential for an overnight inventory squeeze was there, so we had to be ready to capitalize on that if we did see that. So if you're new here or you haven't watched the video where I'm talking about different manipulation tactics used by the hedge funds and institutions, I recommend that you go watch that video. I'll leave a link in the description so you can better understand what an overnight inventory squeeze is and what I'm talking about, because I'm not going to go through all that in this video. Now, the potential for an overnight inventory squeeze was there, and that's what we did see off the open. Now, the opening type was very bearish. So we look at this opening type here. We open up, we immediately push lower, and we do not trade back and forth to the open. So that's a very bearish opening type. And even though we did have a strong push down, I wasn't so alerted that this was going to be a huge move down to here at this point, because I thought, hey, overnight inventory is net long. This could just be an overnight inventory squeeze. We pulled down to the overnight rejection zone, which also aligns with this high in here. Buyers step into play, we get a nice excess low, and we move higher. So at this point, I'm thinking, okay, it looks like just overnight inventory squeeze. Let's watch what happens when we come back into that strong selling area off the open. We come back to that strong selling area, look what happens. We snap right back, we get more strong selling again. Now we push price down, but it doesn't completely push down. We kind of get a little retracement. We slowly make our way back down to this strong excess low here, and buyers start absorbing, pushing price higher again. So at this point, we're going to have to really pay attention to the opening area here where strong selling came in, as well as this area. Are they going to come in again? Because if they come in again, then we really got to tip our hat to the fact that, hey, maybe this could be profit taking from intermediate swing traders, longer term traders, because we are making 52-week highs. So maybe some of these traders want to shave their positions or exit at a profit altogether. So we really want to watch what happens now that we're seeing these sellers come in here. So we push out yet again, strong snapback, and sellers come in with force. Huge swing down. So at this point we could see some profit taking. This could be profit taking or strong sellers coming in near the 52-week highs. So we don't want to be going long here. We don't want to be fighting against that. Now we did get an exhaustion move at the balance area high, which is in white here. We did get a little exhaustion here, a little pop up, then buyers exhaust, and then we move down. So the target moving down was the VPOC area right in here. I have marked in red. So that is just the volume point to control. That is where the most volume transacted in the previous session. And the VPOC can be a valuable support and resistance tool going forward. I'll pull up a profile and show you. So it's just the red bars here. This is where the most volume transacted for the day. So that's how I got that level. So we came into this level, but I wouldn't just buy here. At this point, when we're moving down and down and down, I wouldn't just have my order set to buy here. I would have to see something, which we did exhaust into the level. So I need to see some sort of an exhaustion or absorption happening for me to just step in front of a trending move down like that, which we did see at this point. So one thing to note as well is when we're moving down like this, and you're seeing the movement like this, and you do take a trade, you got to realize that you're going against the trend. So you're not going to be expecting for a massive move all the way back up. You want to have your expectations in line. So going forward in the days to come, to me, this looks like we've seen a little bit of profit taking, but it doesn't really seem like we've seen an all-out sellout. I don't really see any long, higher time frame traders stepping in because the profile wasn't really elongated. We didn't really see a huge trending move down that would indicate longer term traders starting to sell out of their position. It appeared more to be as profit taking from intermediate term traders, shaving some of their positions maybe, or even getting out, but nothing really tipped my hat that the long-term seller was stepping in and changing the frame. So we did come into the middle of the balance area, buyers stepped in. So going forward with the next session, we could continue to see rotation higher and test this area. We do got a strong excess high up in here, so sellers may come in again here and try to sell, but I'm still leaning more to the buy side. If we start gapping lower and then start really selling off, then I'll start changing my position. But right now I don't see anything meaningful to the sell side that's tipping me off that, oh, we're gonna have a massive landslide down. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to give me the thumbs up and like the video, subscribe to the channel. That lets me know that you guys enjoy this content and you want me to keep coming with it. Best of luck with your trading, and I'll see you in the next video.